Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2013 F-150 that's been fiddled with a wee bit. It's got a Coyote 5-liter, it also has a ProCharger Supercharger. It's got a lot of little extras. It's got, we don't believe the original injectors. Everything's been upgraded quite a lot, and we have a lot of paperwork on the car, so you don't have to worry about guessing. Also, it's got this cool step that goes down. How about that, Jake?
Oh yeah, look at that, the electric step that comes down when you open the door. Very nice.
A lot of good interior stuff. Leather, power seats, great air conditioner. We love air conditioners. It's a little humid outside.
Yeah, it's humid and it's 90 degrees, so very happy to have an air conditioner today.
Very, and wood grain, and it's just a very nicely, it's a nice interior anyway, but then with the engine fiddling, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Also, four-wheel drive.
Yes, it is a four-wheel drive vehicle.
We're
Newer
gonna
tires.
we're gonna keep it in two-wheel drive because we don't need 4x4 for our drive.
What are we doing?
Looks like aftermarket taillights, maybe.
Yeah, aren't they nice? They're those LED guys. We got a Rhino liner in the back. We also have this beautiful stuff, WeatherTech. Good old WeatherTech. Don't you just love them?
Yeah, and a bed cover.
Yes.
So all your goodies can get covered up so no one can steal them.
Isn't that nice? See, it's a wonderful thing.
It is nice.
Then, woo, let's go this way. It is an extended cab. It is not a crew cab. Another little thing to help us short people get up and down. It's very nice for me. Power seats in the passenger side as well. Did I mention air conditioning? Oh, it's got a sunroof too.
Yes, it does have a sunroof.
Oh,
right
there
up there.
it is.
And yes, this is how the door opens. They're kind of like suicide doors.
They are.
The back one opens backwards. You do have back seats. The legroom actually isn't bad. You can fit 3 people back there. Probably children. Electric seats as well.
Oh, nice.
As you can see down there, you got the nice infotainment screen in the middle and your HVAC controls, big cup holders. You want to pop the hood for us, Chris?
Here we go. Popping the old hooderino. Uh-oh.
Now, when you close the doors, you have to close the back one first.
Oh, God,
that's how
don't
these
forget
trucks
that.
work.
That makes a heck of a noise. Makes you sad, really.
It's down under the grill.
There it is. Oh. And there is what we were talking about earlier, the little ProCharger Supercharger. It's got a nice intercooler, as you can see.
Yeah,
It's a heavy breather.
fat intercooler in the front.
It's fat.
It's massive.
It is a pretty snug engine bay when you throw a ProCharger in
Yeah.
the midst of things.
It's a loud truck. It's a stout truck.
Very stout, very loud. Shall we give it a start?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You can hear the supercharger whine. That's awesome. Here you go, Chris.
Yay!
Let me use this electric step
Isn't that nice
to get up into this truck.
I didn't want to interrupt you, but I got a Whipple on it.
It's got a ProCharger.
ProCharger.
We heard it when you come through there earlier. Something that's got a charger on it.
Yes, it does.
That guy liked our trucks.
Well, who doesn't like
Well,
our
it's not our
truck?
truck, but it's the one we're driving.
Oh, man. It's nice and dark in here, too.
Yeah, the windows are tinted, which is also nice on a very hot day.
Look at this. So you do, well, you got the infotainment system. You know more about it than me, but it's pretty cool.
You know, I actually haven't really messed with this one yet. I turned the radio on earlier. Nice speakers in this thing, but yeah, you got the big screen. You can mess with stuff on, and you have physical buttons if you want to use those instead. Down below. Yes, you hit the home button. Look at that.
Directions.
Very nice. And look, we got the little compass up here and everything. That is how you get
You
to
just turn your power on. Oh.
the radio, FM, AM.
It's got Sirius. At least it's equipped for it.
CD, USB. Yeah, I don't think the subscription's active right now, but you can. Oh, let me open the vent. We got the AC blasting because it is.
I love that truck.
It's hot today.
I like this truck too.
This truck is nice.
F-150.
Yeah,
It's very nice on the inside.
You got the faux wood grain everywhere. It looks pretty nice though. Chrome around the cup holders down here and around the shifter. kind of nice. And then here is your button for your 4-wheel drive. We're going to keep it in 2-wheel though, because we don't need it. And then there's your beautiful gauges on the dash.
Really nice gauges.
Big steering wheel as well with buttons on it, so you can control stuff with your wheel. I'm sure it tilts and telescopes electronically or maybe manually.
Yeah, well, it's this one right here. Nice.
There's tilty. Very nice. Yeah, we got a big sunroof up here. It looks like the button to open that is maybe up above us. I'll test that in a minute. Here we go. Man, it's really whisper quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, you can barely hear yourself do anything. There's a window back there, isn't there?
Yes, it looks like there's a window back there.
Does it open?
Good question.
I like to ask great questions.
Oh, there's the sunroof.
Nice.
Open that up.
Well, that actually makes my ears not hurt.
Very nice. Yeah, I wonder if that back window opens somehow. Well, that's the sunroof again.
Oh, you did it.
Oh,
it's
there it
electronical.
It's electronic. It's up by the sunroof button. Now we got the back window open too. Very nice. Yeah, it's not quiet.
She makes some noise. If you're trying to get out of your neighborhood and you don't want anyone to hear you, I hope they're deaf.
Oh, we got 2 more cup holders here.
What?
For the backseat people.
Oh, good gravy. We've got cup holders galore.
We do have cup holders galore. Dashboard is in great condition. Obviously no cracks or anything. This is a 2013.
Yep.
So it's not that old.
No, it's not.
Got a little spot up there to set your phone and whatnot. How many miles are on this?
102,000.
That's not bad. Coyotes go for a long time.
They do.
As long as you maintenance them.
Pretty dependable. And when you do a full intercooler, the whole 9 for this. Oh, 12 volt.
12 volt power. And look, they designed it to look like the button for the 4-wheel drive.
Isn't that something?
So that it looks symmetrical. Yeah, that's your little cigarette lighter or charge it. Not really a cigarette lighter at this point, 2013.
That's true. We were starting to get over there.
You also have a massive traction control button, front and center.
Nice.
Because Ford knows how to party. But this thing's got pretty big tires on it, so.
Real big tires.
I don't think it'll break loose very easy, not that we're going to try. Good handling. You just swerved around that roadkill pretty easy.
That was nasty, wasn't it?
There's a possum.
He is no longer alive.
Automatic windows on both sides. Look, no hands.
No. Oh, auto.
Went down on its own.
Isn't that nice?
Auto on the passenger side, you know it's luxury when you have that.
This is a pretty well-optioned vehicle, for sure.
I mean, the base F-150s, I don't think got leather
they
or anything.
And definitely electric seats on both sides.
Yeah, no. You can still get in with cranky windows, I think.
And I'm mad at you, mind you.
No, but these are automatic windows, and they're very nice. And I think the back ones roll down, too.
Very nice.
They're also tinted. The back window's tinted. You got a little banner on the top of the windshield that's tinted.
It's nice and cool in here.
It does stay nice and cool.
I like sitting up high.
Yeah, you can see everything from up here. I don't think this is lifted. It might have a little bit of a lift.
Maybe a wee bit, but I think it's big knobby tires.
But yeah, the tires are a little bit more aggressive, so you're really sitting above everything. But it rides nice.
It's
not super bumpy like some trucks are.
This is not a bumpy truck.
No.
This is a well-done truck.
It's a nice riding truck. Leather in the back, too.
Oh, my gosh.
3 seats.
You're wrapped in leather.
Speakers in the back doors and in the front doors. Sony sound system.
Ooh.
So you know that's going to be nice.
It's going to be good. They know
Here
what they're doing.
At our bean test.
This one we'll test thoroughly.
Just a little bit. We'll test some beans.
It's got them.
It's got them. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, it's got beans.
Well, it gets to 35 in a hurry. I'm just going to slow it down now so we don't go to jail. Good gravy. You could hear us from a mile. I love it.
Luckily, it's got some big tires because this thing just hooks up even in 2-wheel drive.
Yes, it does.
But yeah,
we left that guy way behind.
Once it gets up into boost,
man,
it's pretty good. You get the whoosh noise from the front.
like that noise. I can't wait to hear it from the outside.
I know. I almost thought it was a turbo diesel when it showed up because at idle, all you hear is the whooshing kind of sound.
Yeah,
but no, it's a Coyote with a ProCharger.
Coyote with a ProCharger. One of our lot managers, the great and powerful Austin, loves it.
Yeah,
loves
he's a
ProCharger.
Big Ford guy. Loves a Coyote. They're great engines, so I don't blame him. But this one is quite rowdy.
Oh, it's really rowdy. Are you ready to do flybys? Yeah. I know you are.
I'll do a couple. They're not going to be fast. I don't have to go fast for you to be able to hear it.
No, no, you do not.
Yeah.
All right, let us go.
Let's go.
Here he goes. F-150 is the most sold truck in the entire world. I think one is sold every couple minutes. It is just a well-done truck. That Coyote's always been great. And a ProCharger, intercooler, things just get real fun. Wow, that wasn't quiet at all. Whew. Good Lord. Here he comes again, ladies and gentlemen. The F-150 2013, whisper quiet. It's, I mean, the difference between this and a Tesla. It's leaps and bounds, folks. Here we go. Nice and quiet. If you've ever been to a NASCAR race before, that is very similar to what you hear for about 3.5 to 4 hours. They're all going left too, breakneck speeds.
I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me, Chris.
Well, yes, I was telling the good folks at home, it's sort of like a Tesla.
Yeah, I know, it's very quiet. So you probably weren't even paying attention when I was coming back.
Exactly.
I didn't know I was coming. Yeah,
I can hear you coming back.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's...
you could probably hear me from Timbuktu in this thing.
Yeah, it's not a quiet truck.
No, but it's... I was maybe at 30% throttle that whole time.
Yeah, I'm afraid to put our full foot in it.
It kind of takes off.
Yes, it does. It's a nice one.
It is a nice one. Plus, it's pretty factory on the interior, so it's super comfy. Still shifts well. You could drive it like normal. It's awesome.
It is a good truck. You ready?
Let's take it back.
Let's go.